Okay, we're heading back to town. I just picked up Stephanie from her work at Comair at the airport. We're trying to get home. The town's like 2-3 miles away. And a blizzard. Thanks to these markers, we're following the road. These markers. Clear sky, but poor visibility on the ground. It's minus 29. What's today? February what? 13. February 13. Thanks to these side markers on the road right here, green. Are on the road. If it wasn't for these road markers, these green things, it would be more scary to drive. Blizzard, Baker Lake, Nunavut. Oh, where's the road? We almost went off the road. Easier to see through the phone. Harder to see with your naked eye. I'm watching through the phone. A little bit easier to see. Oh, we're finally at expediting. Hey, where's the road? Where's those markers? Are we off the road? What the fuck? Oh, we're way off the road, are we? Oh no, we're stuck. Fuck. Let me put it to 4-wheel drive.
Cute truck. Yeah, you're gonna hit them. Holy shit.
Fucking asshole. Why the fuck did he just trying to go? Fucking idiot. Who's the fucking driver? Could have wait for me. Fucker. Dumb. Wait for me, you. Fucker. We almost lost our bumper. Fucking fuck, we're almost to town. Almost. Stupid guy. Didn't even wait. Almost lost our bumper. Fucker. That's where we live. Baker Lake. Thanks to these markers. Clear skies, but along the ground, no good. Scary. Pole light, I mean the pole, and these markers. Fucking idiot driver, whoever that was. We're almost at the town. Today is February 13, 2024. We're trying to get back to town from the airport. Stephanie works for the Calm Air. Are we off the road? No? No? Whoa! That fucking cute van Calm Air worker. Whoever that was. Fucker. We're almost to town. Almost. I see lights. Yes. We made it. We're almost to town. Whoa, where's the road? Are we fucking off road? No?
There's a truck coming this way. Be careful.
Where? No, that's parked. Somebody's house. Jody's house. We're almost home. Oh, we're way off the road. What the fuck? Alright, we made it. Yes, we're safe. Right. We're back in town. Good, okay, we made it. We're in town now. Good. Okay. Yeah, we made it. Okay. That's a short video of us heading to town from airport. 2 or 3 mile drive. But I was filming halfway already, so okay. Bye.